You guys know how I always talk about money on this channel and how we can improve on our finances, making extra money and investing and all of that. This one is also not far from it. A lot of young people reach out to me asking of ways to make money from home. So I decided to make a couple of researches on some side hustles that won't cost you so much money and time, but yet can be a great passive income for you. Before we move on, if this is your first time seeing this face, please do not make it your last by subscribing to my channel, and if you end up enjoying this video or benefiting from it, kindly give us a thumbs up. It helps YouTube push out my content to more audience. I was able to come across over 8 side hustles you can pick from to generate passive income if you're willing to put in the work. I remember creating a video at the beginning of this year, this video here, showing my 5 passive income, and I'm still making income from these side hustles. The good thing about having side hustle is the fact that you won't have to depend on one stream of income, and you won't be living in so much fear if anything were to happen to your main stream of income. Another good reason would be that your side hustle could actually lead you to financial freedom. Create a great avenue for you to even be your own boss. I know a lot of YouTubers, a lot of traders who started these things they are doing as side hustles, but now it's their full-time job, which now generates other passive income for them, maybe through sponsorship deals, collaboration, selling their products, affiliate marketing, and a whole lot of other opportunities. Remember, these side hustles are not get-rich-quick schemes. We have to be patient with them because they take time to yield a lot of money, maybe years, but it will be worth it. In this side hustle, I'm not going to be telling you to invest in crypto or invest in stocks. I always talk about them on this channel, but these ones I'm going to be listing for you are things that I haven't mentioned on this channel before. The first one on our list is that you can actually become an online freelance writer. A lot of you are great writers, but you're not putting it into good use. I know a lot of people who make tons of money just writing articles, either for people or their own blog.
My name is Alex Fasulo. I'm 28 years old, and I make $378,000 per year as a freelance writer on Fiverr.com.
There are lots of websites who actually pay writers good amount of money to write for them. You don't need to have a journalism degree or previous writing experience either, although it can help you if you have one. But if your writing skills are above average and you have one or more areas of expertise, you may be able to write content for websites in that niche. Think about skills you're proficient in. They can be what you're currently doing right now for a living or as hobbies. There's a big misconception with freelancing that you need to be an expert. No, you just need to be proficient and willing to apply yourself. And of course, you can always work to improve your skills as you go along. I'm going to drop links in the description box on websites that actually pay you to write for them. Anything you can write about, you do not need to be an expert, just write. The second one is to create an online course. I am in the process of creating one myself, and I'm saying this to encourage you. Is there something you know really well that you can share with people? There are websites like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare that offer you a platform to upload materials such as your PDF and videos for your courses. Then you can sell them for a profit, guys. It's not free. Once you upload them, people will pay to get your courses. The best thing is that for those who create online course, they will be making money while they sleep. So if you create a course and still you're selling it for $100, depending on the quality of that course and the value it brings, I know it sounds a bit easy, but it requires a lot of work. You need to put in the work to be able to make money from it. But the best thing about it is that it's a one-time job. So once you put in that hard work and create the course, you're going to have a forever income stream. Once you go hard, create the course. I know it's going to require you to tell people about it. It requires you to advertise it and let people know that, oh, you currently have a course on sale. Do not think that you're not worthy or you haven't gotten to a point where you can sell your knowledge to people. As long as it contains value, you can sell it for a price, and the more you do it, the better you get at it. And this brings us to the third one, which is photography. Are you good with taking quality pictures? Do you have a very good phone or a badass camera and you're not generating income with them? There are websites such as Shutterstock. They will pay you up to $120 per image download of your photos, depending on the quality, the number of downloads, and other criteria. And over time, the more you earn increases how much you make per image. If you're a seasoned photographer, this is a great way to make extra income passively by stacking this side hustle. Like Shutterstock on top of your photography business is a win-win for you. take a photo once and earn from multiple times people download it on Shutterstock. And the thing about it though is that Shutterstock is not even the only one that does it. I know there are other websites that do this too, but the thing about it is that Shutterstock will also pay you for referring other photographers to the site. So if I were you, I'll just Google on websites that actually pay photographers to upload their pictures or whatever image they have. So once people download it, they get paid. This brings us to the next one, which is for my artists in the building. So if you're an artist and you create very beautiful art, but you aren't making money from it at all, it's time for you to change it. You can make extra money selling your digital art and designs on a website called Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform that will print your designs on products and do all the shipping and handling of all the products for you. So you never have to commit to any inventory upfront. Definitely, they will take some percentage for doing all those work for you, but it's better than you not making any money at all. And Redbubble isn't actually the only site, right? There's even Teespring. Customize your clothes, design them, even mugs, not just clothes, mugs and bags, and then you just design them on their website, tell people to buy. Once people buy from them, they will do all the shipping for you, they will do everything that requires, they will make the clothes for you, they will ship the clothes for you. The only thing is, I think that they will take like 30% of it and you own 70%, which I still see as a great deal. So if you're into all these, I'm going to be leaving these links in the description box. Do make sure to check them out and take advantage of all this resourceful and useful knowledge that I'm sharing with you guys. This brings us to the next one, which is affiliate marketing. I know a lot of you must have heard about affiliate marketing and how is the future and all of that. You can get paid in multiple ways by promoting your favorite stuff on social media. A brand can pay you to post content, maybe due to your following, or hire you as a brand ambassador. You can choose to sign up yourself. There are lots of companies who offer affiliate links. How it works is that when you are given an affiliate link, right, whoever purchases a product or service using your link, you will get paid a certain percentage. All you have to do is promote your links on your social media accounts or blogs if you have anyone. Some affiliate experts go ahead to even create websites or open social media accounts, and some even make use of Pinterest. They share the links of products that few people are looking to buy. The good thing about affiliate marketing though is the fact that you do not need any money to start or any skills at all. Like I said, you just need to know how to share your links in ways that people are willing to click and use your links to purchase either the product or the service. To explore how you can actually make most money as an affiliate marketer, I can suggest a course on affiliate marketing. The link will be in the description box, and make sure to take advantage of it. This brings us to the sixth one, which might not be for everybody, which is creating videos on YouTube. It requires you to have a lot of patience because it's a very long-term investment, but can be worth it if you're very persistent and you're also consistent. A lot of people live off money they make as content creators on YouTube. Although the journey is a very taxing one and it takes a lot of time to build up, but if you focus on it and invest time and years to it, you will make a great passive income from it. One great thing about creating content on YouTube is the fact that it creates lots of avenue for you to make money. When you have some kind of audience, brands and companies are willing to reach out to you for collaboration, deals, affiliate marketing, and you can even sell your product because you now have your audience, so you can sell anything to them and make money. So once you're monetized on YouTube too, even YouTube pay you what we call the AdSense payment for people watching your videos, as long as they can place ads on your videos. You'll be making money from even your old videos, no matter how old the video is. As long as people are watching the videos and ads are being played on it, you're going to be making money from creating your content. And the thing about starting a YouTube is the fact that you need a very good camera. It mustn't be the best of the best. As long as you have a phone, you can start a YouTube channel, right? So you need a phone, you need a software to be able to edit your videos, and then you need to know the content you want to put out there. Pick something that you know that you enjoy creating, right? So one thing about YouTube is the fact that because it requires a lot of patience, you will need to find contents that give you joy, because the money is not going to be coming immediately. So if you're doing it exactly for the money, you might not want to do it for the long term. But if you're doing it for the short term and you're looking for money immediately, it might not be a good idea. And it's not just YouTube, right? I know a lot of people who also make money on Instagram, people who make money on TikTok. I know for TikTok, if you have up to 10,000 followers with 100k views on your video in the last 30 days, TikTok will pay you as a content creator. So these days people are making a whole lot of money on creating contents on social media, even Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We have Twitter influencers. So if you can take time to build out, but the thing about creating content online is that it requires you to be so consistent. Consistency and quality of what you're bringing out. Most times they will tell you quality over quantity, but when you're starting, you don't need to so much worry yourself about the quality because you're just starting. So you're definitely going to make the beginner's mistakes. This brings us to the next one, which is for my people who love to read books. What if I told you you can make money reading books? Yes, there are lots of websites that pay you just so that you can read books and review for them. Whether you love reading fiction, non-fiction, classic or indie books, there's possibly an outlet that is willing to compensate you if you read and review for them. There are websites like Kiko's Media, I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly. We have ReadSeek, Discovery, we have Any Subject Books, we have Online Book Club, Women's Review of Books, and many more. I can drop the link in the description box. Some of them even pay you up to $250 to read and review a book for them. Like I said, you just need to put in time to be able to make money from these side hustles. This brings us to the next one, which is also very close to book review, but this time you will have to narrate audiobooks. This one is for my people who have very sweet voice. So if you love reading books and you have a very nice voice that people love listening to, try audiobooks narration. To get started with narrating, you need a mic, you need a pop screen, you need a headphone, you need a recording and editing software, a quiet space, and a laptop. With the rise of Audible, the demand for audiobook narrators is climbing, so it will be fairly easy to find job now. To start looking for work, you can, start by networking with people on Facebook groups and online forums where people are audible narrators. You can register on Upwork and get gigs. Some people even charge up to $100 and above for them to narrate. So if you know you can take on this role, all you just need to do is go on Upwork and look for people's profile and see how you can network so you can start making money. This brings us to the next one, which is taking advantage of Fiverr. If you do not know Fiverr, right? Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. What services can you offer? Do you know how to edit videos or maybe design logo? Do you know how to do a voiceover, animation, write stories, copywriting? Whatever service you can render, all you need to do is sign up on Fiverr. A lot of people are looking for services every day and there are a limited number of people who can offer services. Do not limit yourself to what you can do. If you have any skill and you love and you know that people can learn from you, it's time for you to make use of the internet, start selling your services. Then the thing about it is that you need to keep leveling up to be better and better and better so that people can rate you higher anytime they make use of your services. This brings us to the end of the video, guys. I just hope we all take advantage of this. You mustn't do all of them. You can just pick one and then focus on it and then give it time to actually, grow. And then when it's growing, you also need to grow with it because you need to keep making yourself better and better so that your skills can keep improving or whatever it is you need to learn. And very little percentage of people will take advantage of this, while majority will say that all these things are hard and they would want to look for shortcuts to make money. The hard truth is that there are no shortcuts. You need to set out some time for yourself and dedicate it to making your side hustle yield fruit for you. This video right here will teach you how you can stay on top of things. If you want a part 2, kindly like this video and also drop it in the comment section and I'll bring a part 2 of side hustles you can do from the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching and bye guys!